Hello and welcome to another Unreal Engine tutorial. I'm Thomas M, and today we're going through the gameplay ability system setup. So the goal of this video is we're going to create our project and we're going to set up all of the things we need to in the Unreal project so that the gameplay ability system plugin is fully activated and we have access to all the code we're going to need to get this project done. So check out the gameplay ability system documentation from Unreal. It gives you a good overview of sort of some of the things we're going to see in this video. Between that documentation and this video, hopefully you're able to understand what's going on with this system. And with that, we'll go into project setup. We're going to launch our engine. I'm using 4.25.3. This should work for future engines. Until it doesn't, then I will do an update. Alright, from here I'm going to create a games project. And I'm going to use the third person template. And we're going to make this a C++ project. If you'd like to use the third person blueprints, you can. The only thing you have to do to make that work is in your project folder, when you create your Unreal project, you'll have to right-click your project file and you'll have to generate Visual Studio project files. From there, you can then launch the engine and have access to your C++ classes. And I'm going to call this GAS tutorial. You can call it whatever you want. Call it something that makes sense. I recommend using short names for your projects because there's a limit to how many characters you can use for a class definition in a C++ class. So I try to make something that's, 8, 10 characters at the most. And our project is coming up. So it opens up Visual Studio and the project. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna add some stuff to a file. So we're actually gonna close the engine. You can leave Visual Studio open for now, but we'll close it in just a minute. So you want to navigate to your new project folder that you just created. And then in here, I usually just search for it because I can never remember what it is. It's build.cs is the file we're looking for. And once you find it, pop it open. And we just need to add a couple of things to this line right here. Mainly the gameplay abilities, gameplay tags, so these are keywords that will just add the dependency modules that we need for this gameplay plugin. So now, make sure that the engine is closed, and then click your project in the Solution Explorer, right-click it, and hit Rebuild. What we want to do is go ahead and open up our project. Now I like to do this from the File Explorer. It's my personal preference. I'm just going to open the U project. Alright, and then this dialog box comes up for me. If it doesn't come up for you, hit Edit Plugins, but we're going to manage our plugins. And we're going to click Built In, and we're going to find that Gameplay Ability System, or Gameplay Abilities, enable this, and make sure this Gameplay Tags Editor is enabled. If it isn't, I believe Gameplay Tags are now just built into the engine. So we'll go ahead and hit Restart. And with that, we're gonna end this video and we're gonna pick it up in the next one where we talk about the ability system component and how we give it to our player character. I'll see you then.